Hi, I'm Wendy Batts, one of your expert fitness professionals on Sharecare, and I'm going to talk to you about how and why to stand properly when working out. It's extremely important that you maintain proper posture throughout the day and when you're working out. Maintaining ideal posture will help keep your muscles aligned, so when you're lifting, you're using the muscles that you're trying to target, which will lead to better results while decreasing your chances of injury. So, what is proper posture? You're going to want to begin with your feet about shoulder to hip width apart. You're going to make sure that your second and third toe stays lined up with your knee at all times. From here, we want to also maintain a neutral position in the spine. We do that by making sure you bring your belly button in towards your spine and then also squeeze in your glutes. Next, we move up to the shoulders. We want to make sure that we're not too far forward or too far back. So we also want to make sure we're right in the middle. So if I looked at you from the side, your shoulder and hip would stay lined up. If we move up to the neck, we also want to make sure that it's not too far forward or too far back. So once again, ears are in line with shoulders, shoulders in line with hips, knees, and then ankle. If you can maintain proper posture, you will be able to lift more weight, reduce unnecessary stress being placed on your joints, and feel better after your workout is complete. For more information on proper posture and other fitness tips, don't forget to check them out on sharecare.com.